my Haro 100.1 bike check. I have stolen money grips with stolen bylines, stock haro bars with stock haro stem. And then I have King Volt 2 forks, but I painted black. Next cane peg with stock haro wheel, stolen joint tire. I have stolen thermite pedals with on Mission Triumph cranks. I have a haro sprocket with a KMC chain, and I have an LX game peg in the back, and then I have a Quano Hub Race 2 stock haro wheel. I have a bell seat, pretty crappy, and on the other side I have a lamp peg in the front, lamp peg in the back, and yeah. Oh, no, I have no seat clamp, so we just fixed it with duct tape. Yeah. That's my bike check.